teach you how to make one of my favorite toys in my childhood. We used to call it vai e vem, but I think we can use our imagination and create a special name for it. So remember to take a picture of your toy and send it for me with the name. Are you guys ready? Let's go! All you're going to need is 2 plastic bottles, a string, a tape, and a pair of scissors. You have to cut both plastic bottles right in the middle. Smash it to an easier cut and remember to ask for your parents to help you. Now you will cut 2 pieces of string with the same size. Then you have to pass both strings between the plastic bottles. And fit one plastic bottle inside the other. You can fix both plastic bottles with a tape. To make the handles, you can use the other side of the plastic bottles or ask to your parents to make a small hole in 4 bottle caps. Tie each end of a string in a handle. And our toy is ready to play.